Good morning, everybody, and welcome to another video by the Option School. This is your friend Pradeep Singla, and today we have a weekly expiry in Nifty and Bank Nifty. Only thing is there is a new circular wherein for Fin Nifty the expiry will be now shifted from Thursday to Tuesday. So let's see pre-market report and what are the important Nifty levels today. SGX is indicating a very flat to mildly negative start. It is just fluctuating minus 10, 15 points to minus 4, 5 points, but it seems to be very flat and slightly negative also. Major Asian markets are negative. Europe closed negative. US markets closed positive. US markets day before yesterday closed negative, and they have recovered almost all the losses in yesterday's session. So for 2 days, you can say they have just neutralized everything, and Dow future is also very very flat. So all the global cues are saying that okay, our market should be slightly negative or they can be very very flat. Yesterday, our markets closed at all-time high with huge gains of 139 points, which was definitely a surprise for most of the traders. Now, FIs were net buyers in cash yesterday with 232 crores. DIs were also net buyers with 167 crores. So overall, it's around 400 crores of buying. And FIs were net buyers in index future also for 170 crores and 1300 crores in index options. So everywhere we are seeing buying happening. Although in cash the net buying levels are very very low, but markets moving up by 139 points even with 400 crores of buying indicates that okay, this might be a slightly shallow market where there are hardly any sellers, and a little bit of buying can also take the markets up. So we should be using this data with a lot of caution because small buying takes markets at higher levels. Sellers may not be there at all in these markets. So till what time it keeps on doing that, it keeps on moving up, that needs to be seen with a lot of caution. Selling a call has become a sort of a next to a crime only in these markets. So be very very cautious when you're selling any calls. And selling puts have been very very rewarding experience so far. And FIs are buyers for fourth consecutive day in cash. What about OI analysis? Let us see OI analysis and expiry analysis. All of you who are new to channel, please go ahead and click on the subscribe button. And all of you who are already part of this family, please click on the like button. Now, highest OI on call side is 70,500, although market has closed above 70,500, but still call sellers are maintaining highest OI level at 70,500. On put side, it is 70,400. But although the call side highest OI is 70,500, but the put side 70,500 is more than 70,500 call side. That means even at 70,500, put sellers are much more compared to call sellers. So call selling, the OI numbers on side of calls are very very thin compared to the OI of puts. So that indicates a very very bullish trend. And since it's a lagging data, obviously yesterday when market has gone up by so much points up, and that too at a level which was very high, so these kind of things will definitely happen. And if what another thing what we have seen is that okay, at 70,450 and all the strikes below that, there is negative change in open interest, which means most of the traders are trying to scare off these positions, and obviously they are taking positions either on the put side or maybe they are shifting their call side positions to a higher level. Congestion is maximum at 17,500, but numbers are low. Yesterday during intraday the numbers were very high, but although there are no benefits of trading intraday now as far as margins are concerned, but again what has been seen that okay, during the day the numbers of open interest are very very high compared to what numbers we are seeing at the end of the day. It is almost down by 30 to 40%. That shows that okay, uh, traders generally do not carry forward their positions and they close their positions during the day itself, right? So since the congestion number is not very high at 70,500, little bit of buying and selling here and there can change the congestion immediately. It can be brought down to 70,400. It can go up to 70,600 also. So during the day we need to be very very cautious. Straddle premium at 17,500 is around 80 rupees, again giving us a range from 17,400 to 17,600. So that means by straddle premium or by highest opening of 17,400 looks to be the bottom what we can see in today's market if everything goes as uh, a logical market. And on upside, definitely market is pretty much open for 17,580 to 17,600 levels. Also, if I add this 80 rupees premium to the closing value of the market, it gives me 17,600. So that is another possibility. But obviously it's expiry day, market will oscillate. We can see both the levels also, and we can see that ultimately expiry happening at levels very close to the levels at which we are opening today. So that would mean expiry of 17,500, 17,480 to 17,520 kind of levels. And where do you think expiry will happen? Do write it in the comment section right now. What do you think, whether the expiry will happen below 17,500 or above 17,500, or whether the expiry will happen at 17,400? Do write it in the comment section. Nifty levels on upside, initial resistance can be 17,560, 17,580. Yesterday we had given 17,480. Market stopped there for a lot of time, but ultimately it crossed that, and ultimately markets went 30-40 points above that only, right? On downside, initial supports can be at 17,470 and 17,430, with ultimate level 17,400 should not be broken unless and until there is a big fall. What will happen in the big fall? Let me tell you. Now, Wednesdays are again proven as volatile days. Yesterday also, it was a unidirectional move in the market. So most of the Wednesday we are seeing now markets are making a directional move. So quite possible that okay, we have another very dull expiry day, and uh, market high to low may not be more than 70-80 points. Now, big upward moves are showing huge put selling at different levels. If you see put selling versus call selling, put selling is almost double of call selling. So in these kind of situations, even if market uh, gives a dip of let us say 70-80 points, it will have a big spiraling effect, and suddenly markets from 17,520 levels can go towards 17,430, 420 levels. And if market doesn't, and if market holds to those levels for few minutes, you can see a lot of pressure happening, and it will have a spiraling effect, and market can further drip down. But this is the scenario in case market goes down. As of now, market is not at all in a mood to go down. So till the time markets are into this bullish frenzy, we can keep on selling puts. Do not shy away from selling more puts compared to calls, because at every lower level, at every dip of the market, we are seeing some buying is happening, and ultimately markets moving up. A pair of 17,750 and 17,250 with a premium of 60 can be good bet, but this is for next expiry. This is not for this. So this is for 23rd September expiry. A good pair with a gap of 500 points, premium of 60 rupees. Obviously, if market remains here only in the evening, we can expect 10 to 12 rupees in this pair, but do it with a lot of caution. All the best. Anybody willing to join our membership can click on this join button, or there's a link given in the description also. We have four kinds of membership: gold, diamond, smart hedge, and super smart hedges. Our next workshop is happening on 18th and 19th of September, which is Saturday and Sunday, wherein we will be talking about a lot of trading and adjustment methods. Some backtesting of trades for many strategies will also be shared, and obviously we'll be sharing all the material also with you. Anybody interested can contact us on this number. Do subscribe to us, follow us on Twitter at the option school. Sometimes during market interactions prove very useful for traders, right? For anything else, you can contact us on this number, or you can write to us at info at the optionschool.in. Hopefully you have already clicked the like button. If not, please go ahead and do that. That will help us to reach more and more viewers. Share this video to somebody whom you think it will be useful. Write your comments if you have any questions, any suggestions. Please do write. We will ensure that okay, before the market opens, we are able to answer all the comments. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Wish you all a very, very great day. Wish you all a very profitable day. Again, just for the sake of repetition, also I'm saying, in case any of your positions are stuck up, you are not able to square it off, please roll it over to next expiry. That will give you a lot of time to do a lot of other things also. Wish you all the best. Thank you.